Let me quickly show you how to make this plantain frittata. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. And if you're a subscriber already, thank you very much for always coming back. You are the real VIP. If you're not subscribed, please, I beg you, hit the subscription button, okay? So if you want to see how I make this mouth-watering delicacy, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Now, to make plantain frittata, here are the ingredients to be used. First, we'll be making use of our onions, our scotch bonnet, our spring onion, thyme, curry powder, seasoning cubes, salt, our eggs, plantain, and of course our vegetable oil. To start with, you want to get your chop board and then slice your vegetables into desired sizes. If you're an onion lover, you can use as many onions as you like because it can only get sweeter if there's anything like that, okay? Once you're done with your onions, you can go ahead to chop your scotch bonnet into your desired sizes as well. Just chop it, it's your thing. So chop until the whole veggies is well chopped. After that, you want to go ahead to slice your plantain into your desired sizes. Now it is time to fry. So get your vegetable oil and oil your pan, heat it up on medium heat, and then get your plantain into the oil and fry nicely. Not burnt, just fry it nice and light. Keep a close eye on it and flip to the other side when need be. Now our plantain is nicely fried. Just look at that yumminess. Oh my god. Guys, I love plantain. After frying your plantain, the next thing to do is to reduce your vegetable oil and then get in your onions. Get in your onions and fry nicely. After getting the juicy part of your onions, then you can go in with your scotch bonnet. Fry that scotch bonnet very well. Yeah, you want to fry it very well. Now it is time to get in your thyme. To get in your thyme, your seasoning cube. I used just a seasoning cube for this. You want to add your salt and your curry powder. After adding that up, you want to stir it very well. Give it a good stir. Then you can spice it up with a little bit of onions, just to bring out that aroma you get. Now, you want to get your eggs out of the shell. Break your eggs and then you get your sauce directly into your egg and give it a good mix, a very good mix. You want to mix it very well to allow all the aromas and all the spices to get in nicely. After that, oil your pan with a little bit of oil and then get your egg sauce into it and allow to cook nicely. Don't break it up, just allow it to cook in your pan size. Now, while that is going on, you want to give your egg a final spice. That final spice that will bring out that egg frittata. Yeah. So, start to arrange your plantain nicely on your eggs. Arrange it nicely, give it that circle look. Fill it up, and then you start to add your spring onions, and then if any onions remain, add everything that remains, and then you want to keep this on a low heat, guys, and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. So here comes our frittata, guys. Just look at this, oh my god, you love this. You need to try this. If you've never tried my recipe, this is a good one to start with. Okay, try my recipe and let me know how it feels, man. It is a good. Just try this out. Not too much talk, okay? Just slice into your desired sizes and enjoy. Alright guys, let me know if you love this recipe and if you were trying it out. I'll see you in my next one as usual. Before I go, have you subscribed to my channel? Oh my god, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, because just subscribe to my channel. Subscribe first now. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Once again, bye.